Hey, what's going on, you guys? It's your boy Twan. In today's video, we're gonna go over Kucoin. Kucoin is actually known as the People's Exchange. I absolutely am a huge believer of Kucoin and their KCS token. And today we're gonna give you a quick overview on Kucoin, why it is an exchange that you must have, why you should use it. We're gonna give you a quick walkthrough in terms of how to get yourself started. And of course, we're gonna show you their ecosystem in a nutshell. All right, guys, welcome back. If you haven't done so, make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and of course, make sure you hit that notification. That way that every time we upload a video, you get it right away, because we want to empower you, making sure that you feel confident while you're growing your crypto portfolio. So today we're gonna go over Kucoin, and I'm a huge fan of it. I've been using it for a few years. And the reason why I actually really like Kucoin is because they remind me a lot like Binance. I currently right now reside in the United States, and you know, here we are very strict with our laws and regulations, and so I'm unable to access Binance.com. And I love Binance because of the wide variety of different cryptocurrencies and tokens that you can have access to. Also the liquidity is there, so there's a lot of cool features and a lot of different things that Binance has. They've created an awesome ecosystem, which is the reason why the Binance coin has exploded the last 1 to even 2 years. So to do so, I want to show you guys a little bit on Binance. Their trading volume is 5.6 billion or so, and of course they're hovering always between number 2 and number 4 all the time, because Binance has done a phenomenal job creating an ecosystem where they're utilizing their native token BNB in terms of being able to hold on to it, to be able to actually have discounts on trading fees, being able to utilize it on their Binance Smart Chain, and being able to actually access different programs through this entire ecosystem. So Kucoin is a smaller market cap. Currently right now, if I pull up Kucoin, a little bit about them, they have their own native token known as KCS token. And I believe that it's gonna be the next runner-up compared to Binance. Reason being is, as you hold on to the KCS token, while you're doing trade, you're able to actually get discounts on the trading fees. You can also stake the KCS token and get a nice APY on their exchange, but also you're able to actually utilize the KCS token on future projects. Right now, they're currently right now in terms of the market cap, it's definitely a lot smaller than Binance, and they are actually, the market cap is 546 million currently right now. They're currently where are we at here? Ranked number 105 on the coin market cap. But this is absolutely relatively a sleeping giant in my opinion. So if you seen the rise of the Binance coin, I really believe that this can do the same thing. As this market cap continues to rise, the token price will of course rise as well. Right now it's doing about, it's currently at this moment $6.84 of the time of recording this. But as the market cap doubles, you'll see this number double as well. And yeah, so that gives you a quick idea of the KCS token. But let's kind of walk you through Kucoin's exchange. Their exchange, there's so many great features. They make things very convenient. And first thing is that if you're new to cryptocurrency, you can actually do peer-to-peer bank transfer to basically a person-to-person option. Or if you want to do it really quick, you can actually make a purchase through a credit or debit card. They're partnered up with other different providers. When you click on this, you can actually see all the options that you have. It's really easy to use this credit or debit card option. Unfortunately, there isn't really a bank wire option on Kucoin. And so if you were to do a debit or credit card, it's again relatively very simple to do. So let's say, for example, you want to purchase $10,000 worth of, let's say you have the option of BTC, Doge. There's a wide variety of different ones. I would probably do USDT. Let's say you put 1,000 right there, then it's going to give you the best offer out of all these providers. So Mercurio actually is giving 960 USDT for 1,000. So I personally wouldn't recommend doing our debit or credit card option. If you are looking to convert from fiat to crypto, I would probably do a bank wire, so that way you don't have to deal with the credit card or debit card exchange fees. But if you're in a hurry and you need to make a purchase for whatever reason, this is a very good option to do. So once you decide how much you want to spend, what you want to buy, you confirm that this is the payment channel that you want to go through. You just click on I have read and agreed to the disclaimer, click confirm, and then basically you want to go ahead and log in and then check out on the payment. Now, what's great about Kucoin is that you don't have to do KYC. If you do KYC or verify your ID, then it gives you other options. Of course, protection of your identity in your account. But KYC will allow you to be able to do larger withdrawal options as well. So that's buying crypto. If you're looking to do spot trading, which is something that I would say is probably where we're going to focus on the most, they actually have it very convenient. I really do like it a lot because it is the closest thing to Binance. I'm used to using Binance prior to them blocking out the United States. And just kind of give you a quick walkthrough how to do spot trading. So here you are, you actually have your chart right here, and you can adjust your view, whether you want it in terms of what your indicators are, or you want to be able to switch out candles or bars. I tend to like candles more, and you can actually see the trend line. You can actually pick the time frame, whether it's 1 minute, 3 minute, 5 minute, 15 minute. For those that are more of a scalpers or day trading, more on a long, more of a swing trader or longer, you can also move over to the 4 hours or 8 hours, and you can kind of see the trend line from here. So very, very simple to use. And then right here, I actually have some sell orders that I've actually set in place already. And right here, you can actually punch in your codes. And this will basically unlock the ability for you to be able to make purchases on here. So right here, you can actually click on market, which basically whatever the current market price is, it's your ability to make that purchase on that price at that moment. And then of course, if you want to do a limit order, you can click on limit orders right here. And you can actually pick one of these prices like this, and you can actually do a limit order. I see there's market, or you can do a limit order at a price that you decide. So you're a little bit more patient, and you can decide the price, or you can type out the price that you want. Let's say, for example, you want to purchase Matic at the price of 1.3. Then you can actually set that, and you can press buy Matic, and once the price of Matic in this example hits 1.3, it'll go ahead and actually fulfill that order. And then of course you can do the same option with selling as well. You can actually decide to do a limit or a market right here on the sell side, and you can pick 25%, 50% of what you have in USDT, 75% or 100%. Now of course you can see USDT right here because the trading pair that I chose is USDT Matic pair. Now if you want to be able to actually pick not USDT, you can pick a different pair if you choose. By doing so, you can click on the top right here. Let me kind of scroll up real quick so you can see what I'm talking about. There you go. So you can go on the very top right here, you can click this, and you can do BTC, and all the pairs that is linked to BTC is available right here. I tend to like to do USDT trades more. So you can pick all these different options right here. Let's say I want to do ADA USDT pair. I can pull that up, and I'm able to actually see the chart here and do the same limit or market order. Stop limit is being able to actually put a stop loss. Let's say you want to be able to actually make sure that if it goes down to a certain number, let's say 3%, then you can actually put a stop limit and it'll actually sell or buy at that moment when it actually gets to that point. One of the other options that they do have available is the ability to actually go to the finance section. And in the finance section, you can do crypto lending. You can earn off of like staking. And then you can hold KCS and get bonuses every single day, which I think is huge. And then you can refer other people. Below this video, there will be a referral link. You would actually help our channel immensely and keep this channel going if you click on that referral, if you decide to actually create a Kucoin account. Once you click on Earn, it's going to give you some of the top options that are very popular on here. So here's the latest. Basically, if you stake, in other words, if you lock up your KSM token for 7 days, you're going to earn a 6.21% annual yield. DYP is 51.77%. Hydra is 111.77%. And your redemption is 1 day, 3 days. Here's these flexible ones. So instead of locking up, you can actually withdraw this. Very flexible. You don't have to lock it up. So there's Hydra, there's DFI, there's staking options as well. So there's different promotions every once in a while that pops up. And guys, you just have to kind of just experiment with it. I think that once you're able to actually stake your tokens or your cryptocurrencies in some of these and you actually see it actually produce passive income for you, you'll find it very, very beneficial. You'll find it very convenient. And again, this is why I think Kucoin's ecosystem is very similar to Binance. All right, guys, let's go ahead and go to assets real quick. Assets are basically your wallets to hold different cryptocurrencies within the Kucoin Exchange. You have a main account and then you have a trading account. So if you do any trades, you're going to actually mess around with the trading account more often than not. If you're staking or you're lending, you're going to actually be able to put it on here to actually earn passive income. So with Kucoin, I actually do a little bit of trading on here. So let's go ahead and click on the trading account. So right here, this kind of gives you a quick idea. When you actually go to your assets, whether it's trading account or your main account, it's going to look exactly like this. You'll be able to see your asset or your coin, the total amount that you do own, what's available. And this all depends in terms of if you have any orders that are currently pending right now. And that's the reason why it would show less. And then, of course, you can actually trade it. Continue to trade this amount, or you could transfer it. So what's transfer? Let's go and you click on transfer, and you can actually transfer it from your trading account to any of the other accounts. Again, like I said, there's the main account, the pool account, pool X account, which is where you earn your passive income if you're staking or lending. So let's say you want to be able to transfer VeChain into the main account. You can actually dictate how much you want to put in. Let's say you want to do 100 VeChain. You click confirm, and then boom. Successful. So let's say you want to go and click on the main account, and within the main account you actually have this available. Now you can actually withdraw in this account. You can deposit more if you actually have VeChain set aside in a separate outside wallet, maybe a cold storage wallet or a hard wallet. You want to deposit in here, and let's say you want to withdraw this amount. You can withdraw out, or you can transfer it back into the trading account, or in the pool. If you're planning on staking it, you have the option to do that as well. Guys, this is a very, very powerful exchange I use a lot. If you're doing crypto to crypto trading, this is very powerful. If you are, in a quick bind, you need to buy some cryptocurrency really quick and you have fiat, you can actually go use this option as well. Relatively, I wouldn't recommend using it if you want to reduce the fees, but if you need a quick bind, like I said, you can actually use that. And so There is an app available. You just simply take your phone, you scan this, and it'll pop right up. But guys, that is a quick idea of what Kucoin is. It's relatively very easy to sign up. Simply just on the bottom of this video, click on that link below, and then make sure you create an account for yourself and start messing around with it. And of course, again, I am not a financial advisor. I'm just simply here sharing with you what I use, because I am personally a crypto enthusiast, and I love sharing people my personal experience being involved in the cryptocurrency space. So with that, thank you so much. Hopefully this video helps.